And day one of Arizona, we're at Wupatki
Good morning.
National Monument. Good morning, what?
You're actually making a video?
Yep. So we're at Wupatki National Monument. Oh!
Freaking monkey.
Yep, we're about to go walk and
Mom, hurry up and get
this was their little village. And there's a dancing area over there where they dance. And me and Kyle are gonna dance.
See?
How cool. And there's windows up there. Say hello. I'm not saying hi. We're gonna dance. What?
Yeah, we are. Retarded.
What?
Go ahead.
We have to dance. We're doing the island trail.
$273 steps, one way.
Hi guys, we're at our house now. Went to this like old monument, like an old village and everything. It was super cool. And then we went to this volcano. Me and Mom are gonna hike the volcano tomorrow, but it was really cool. A lot of lava everywhere. And then we went to the monument and me and Mom walked this like staircase thing. And we went to the store and got some groceries. I got ice cream, I just ate it. It was so good. I got mango sorbet or mango ice cream, whatever. We're probably going to town. My last weekend is like rock thingy like this. You put your feet on it. It's really cool. So yeah. It's actually super nice right now. It was supposed to be only 70, but it's like, it feels like 80. It's really sunny. The weather's just perfect. I love it. It's really pretty here. It literally says it's 71 right now, but it does not feel like 71. Going to downtown. That's a cute skirt on and this thing. Let's go. Good morning. I woke up at 6 today. We're gonna go hiking. So yeah, it's really cold outside. It's like 45, I think I said. Or actually, yeah, it's 45, 47. So I'm sitting in here. It's really cold. But yeah, I got tea. So let's go hiking.
My pretzels, Mom.
Sneaking in.
What?
We'll be back.
Sneaky
in? No. I don't know who's sneaking in. Look at my pillow. It's like actually a pillow.
Well, who knows?
What is going on?
If I help.
Get down!
My covers.
Stop! Oh, God. Put your head under. Oh, so cute.
Okay, that's okay. What? That's not phone. Yeah.
We're at Red Rock Canyon. Gotta go hike. Red Rock Canyon. It's so nice outside. Some might say it's hot.
Can you go in here? It says
It's only like 85. Different maybe, but I don't know if I've ever even seen poison ivy, but I'm walking. I like it like this and I got my hat. it's really nice. It's nice and like not hot right here in the shade. But yeah. We've seen there's a lot of snakes here, but we haven't seen one yet, so.
Venomous spiders.
Okay, we're done. Let's go. Hurry up.
Red.
There's a lot of snakes here, but we haven't seen one. Hopefully no one gets bit. To another, like, national forest or something. Bell Rock Park. Yeah. Kyle put the fire on for me. It's so nice and warm. It's like, kind of has to focus. But it's like, I think it's really windy out. It's really windy, but yeah. We're outside. It's really nice. This makes it warm because it's kind of chilly outside, so. Yeah. Look, it came up now, like into a cone, how a fire is supposed to be. Oh, it kind of stopped now. But yeah, it's so nice and warm. It's so cold. And then we have that rocking chair. I love it so much. Oh, it's so windy. It's really windy, guys. Actually, it's not like windy. Like right now I'm sitting here, it's not windy at all, but maybe windy for the fire. A little bit. It's actually not that windy. We're at the Colorado River. I mean, what the heck?
You better erase that.
Okay. We're at the Grand Canyon National Park. And look. Grand Canyon National Park. Shrimp on the bobby, mate. I was looking at me. I don't know why that was weird, but anyways. Oh. So hot. I'm just joking. It's literally like 60. Look at that cool thing. Walked up here. We're walking. Look guys, the little people. These little people. Everyone has all these horses here and he's just looking at us. Hi, baby. They're so cute. I feel bad. I want to like play with it.
Dude, you actually like wag this tail.
Hi, baby. Okay, it is Friday. It's Friday. It's 6 o'clock. I woke up at 5:30, but we're leaving to go back home. Anyways, See you on the road.